What's good, YouTube? It's your boy potionty, and I'm back at it with another video. And if it ain't good, say it with me. Then it's nice. Then it's nice indeed, Fabo. We're back at it with another video again. And sorry to say that I haven't been with you guys for a very long time. But like, even right now I'm still busy with exams. But like I'm off for like a week, and then I'm back to like studying and stuff like that, back to exam, you know what I'm saying? So I thought like, let me take this couple of days, just to record a couple of videos to make sure y'all are updated and stuff like that and everything, you know what I'm saying? But in today's video, I'm actually just gonna drop a tutorial for you guys, you know what I'm saying? And coming up with a little bit of news, you know what I'm saying, about J.E Sample Pack 6, and then so J.E Sample Pack 6 will be dropping on the 20th. I don't know, wait, I think on the 20th or the 18th, somewhere around those dates. When I'm done with my finals, I will be dropping J.E Sample Pack 6, because I know you guys have been waiting for so long. I haven't started with it, but it generally takes me like a day to finish like a pack and stuff like that. So like I will upload J.E Sample Pack 6 on my website, so I'll provide links to my websites, because like and then there's gonna be codes, so you can't just get J.E Sample Pack 6 basically. You need to get like a code and stuff like that, because like I generally found that like with a lot of people, like they take J.E Sample Packs and then they rename it and then they make it their own. So like that's really been a big issue, because like my work is being taken for granted and stuff like that. But I'm not about to throw shade in the air and stuff like that. You do you, and yeah, life will sort you out, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, so yeah, that's as far as news goes for J.E Sample Pack 6. I hope you're excited that it's dropping really soon. But yeah, you know what, I'm just gonna cut this video and I'm gonna record another video for the tutorial, so you're gonna have that coming up also today. So yeah, that's just the news basically about J.E Sample Pack 6. It will be dropping very soon, so make sure you get your data sets and stuff like that, because December is about to get lit. I want to make sure y'all drop these December tracks, make people dance and everything and stuff like that. And yeah, also another thing, I have a competition coming up. So the competition is basically you guys are gonna have to upload like 10 minute mixes, you know what I'm saying? Just a 10-minute mix, and then my friend is like hosting this big event. It's called the annual garage party. So like this is a really huge event. So yeah, I managed to get like one slot, for my subscribers. I managed to get a slot for you guys. So basically what I'm gonna do is, you guys have to upload your mixes, right? And then I'm gonna choose the best two, and then the slot is 1 hour, so I'm gonna choose the best two, and the best two is gonna play at the event. You're gonna get 30 minutes each and 30 minutes each, unless y'all guys want like one person to win. I thought that it's better if I let like two people win, and then y'all can play 30 minutes, like, because this is a really huge event and featuring like really big acts, you know what I'm saying? So I got y'all that slot. So yeah, I'll tell y'all where y'all can like upload, send me your mixes and stuff like that. But like start prepping now, because the event is like on the 28th of December, and then I'll announce the winners on somewhere around December. So yeah, so that's what you have to do. Just submit a mix, and the best two will get to play at a slot at the garage party, guys. So this is a really big deal because you can network with a lot of DJs and producers, you know what I'm saying, and you're gonna get to meet potionty in reality. It's not a big thing. I'm not a celebrity, but like, you know, I do what I have to do, you know what I'm saying, but anyway, yeah, so that's what you have to do. So J.E Sample Pack 6 and the competition, I told you, like, I'm coming with bangers, guys. So make sure you smash the subscribe button right now. Make sure you smash the like button. Do what you gotta do and stay fresh, stay dope. This is your boy, but stay feeling good and it's nice. Signing out. Peace.